And this evening we've had a fantastic collaborative event with Locate East Sussex, an exclusive Sussex screening of the new Dieter Rams film, which explores the furniture designer and product designer.
A really inspirational film about a great designer and sparked off some great conversation with a whole host of different people.
Really, this event is here to allow us to meet some of the fantastic creative businesses and individuals in the county and celebrate the cultural institutions so we can work collaboratively on strong cultural development for the Sussex for the future.